Okay, I'm going to size this down once again so that it equals all the way from A to J. Okay, so I'm going to put it off to the right-hand side, and then what I'm going to do is bring up the Skyview blog. Okay, so you can see it's the Skyview blog from here. And then I'm going to scroll down to the electives. Okay, so here's my virtual classroom, if you will. And I'm going to click on Biz Info. And once again, the classes will be listed up top here. So I'm going to expand it out just a little bit. And there they are. I click Biz Info and I click the week that we're on, and come to GPA assignment step-by-step website. So here we are, and I have all of the steps listed here, and you can actually see an example of the chart by clicking on any of these yellow ones that look just like this. So basically, this is the template, okay? So I'm going to close that real quick. I'm going to take this and drag this off the screen. See? Now I have plenty of room. So I can go to step 2 by clicking here. And basically, you're going to create your borders and so forth. Okay? But let's go ahead and bring up your My Drive. And remember, from the last assignment, we had our folder, which is called last name, first name, biz. And I open up my folder. I have a few things in there more than you guys do. I right click in the middle and go to Google Sheets, click the shark's tooth, and click blank sheet. Okay, I expand this down just a little bit. Once again, I need to size it so that I can see from A to J. So I bring it to 90, maybe bring it to 75. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and expand it out this direction a little bit more. There we go, A to J. Okay, so I click on borders and I move this over. There we go. Boy, I'm on a small screen. Hopefully your screen's a little bit larger than mine. Okay, so I read this. I find out exactly what I need to do. I'm going to click in the middle here. I'll go all the way down to A12 all the way over to J12. There we go. That center section is lined up. And I need to find my borders, which look like that. So I'm going to click on this 3 dots, move it over to the borders, which are right there, and fulfill my borders. Okay, so it is pretty simple. Probably the hardest part for me right now is going to be the size of my monitor, but hopefully you don't have that problem. Okay, so we go back and forth, click for our next step. We will go ahead and type in our title. So what I do is just take it easy and just go right, highlight it, Control C, then go over here to A1 and Control V in Victor to paste it. There we go. Okay, I don't want this to be yellow, so I can change that color for now, and I can change it back if I need to. Okay, so you're going to have to go ahead and type in your current schedule. Health is in B2, 1 through 7, and GPA in J12. So it will look just like this. Okay, so you will need to type those in. Then we move on to A1, and we will continue the steps. All right, so keep going back and forth. Remember to go to the table of contents if you get confused. And be mindful of what you're going to set up and make sure you follow each and every one of these steps.